you're leaving gains on the table. It's not just about how much protein you eat, but it's about how much your body actually absorbs. Today I'm breaking down the 5 best foods that maximize muscle growth and fix your gut, so you can actually absorb more protein, recover faster, and actually build more muscle without the bloat. If your gut isn't working properly, then your body isn't fully breaking down and using the nutrients that you eat, which means that you're literally wasting potential gains. Poor gut health can reduce protein absorption, slow down muscle recovery, and increase inflammation. Let's get into it. First up is Greek yogurt, an absolute muscle building and gut health powerhouse. Greek yogurt is basically a cheat code for building muscle and gut health. It's great for muscle with 15 to 20 grams of protein per serving. It supports muscle repair and recovery. It's also a slow digesting casein protein, which is great for overnight muscle growth and recovery. It's also great for your gut. Being packed with probiotics, it helps to improve digestion, nutrient absorption, and reduces bloating. And with your gut being the second brain, it supports that gut-brain connection. And a healthy gut means better mood and better energy. Have it as a snack, post-workout, or before bed for maximum benefits. And they're great for muscle because they improve digestion, which means better nutrient uptake. So you absorb more protein, vitamins, and minerals from all your food. Next up is fermented foods like sauerkraut, kimchi, kefir. And these might not be a staple in your diet already, but they should be. They also reduce inflammation. A healthier gut means better absorption of protein and nutrients. Serving of sauerkraut or kimchi can make a massive difference in how your body absorbs nutrients and recovers from training. And these are essential for gut health. They're loaded with probiotics, which helps improve digestion, reduces bloating, and supports a gut healthy microbiome. If you're genuinely serious about building muscle and recovering fast, then salmon needs to be in your diet. Aim for 2 servings of salmon per week for better muscle recovery, improved digestion, and overall performance. It's also rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which reduces inflammation, improves recovery, and even boosts testosterone. And these omega-3s also support gut bacteria, helping to create a balanced gut microbiome. And those anti-inflammatory properties help improve digestion and reduce bloating. With over 25 grams of protein per serving, it's essential for muscle repair. High in both glycine and collagen, it supports joint health, tendon repair, and overall recovery. Can help with joint pain, muscle recovery, and digestion. This next one is a secret weapon for lifters, and it's bone broth, helping people with digestive issues and gut inflammation. A warm cup of bone broth before bed or after a workout. It also reduces muscle soreness, which is great for you hard training athletes. It's absolutely brilliant for the gut. It heals the gut lining. It's basically liquid gold. It also supports nutrient absorption. The healthier your gut is, the better it's able to absorb protein, vitamins, and minerals. And saving the best till last, eggs. If you're serious about muscle growth and gut health, these should be a staple in your diet. Eggs are a complete protein with on average 6 grams of protein per egg, containing all essential amino acids. Scrambled, boiled, or in an omelette, eggs are one of the most efficient and versatile muscle building foods that also keeps your gut happy. Eggs are easy to digest, unlike some proteins. Eggs are gentle on the stomach. They're rich in leucine, which is one of the most important amino acids for muscle growth. Eggs are great for the gut. The egg yolk contains choline, which is essential for digestion and supporting gut lining health. Which of these do you already eat, and which one are you going to try first? Drop it in the comments below.